there are the two separate devices. One is for walk-in patients, second one is for appointment patient. Walk-in patients will come and will take their tokens from this left one device, and appointment patients will come, they will take their tokens from this second device, this one. And this is the structure of the device where instructions are written over there. Patients will come simply and will enter his/her mobile number only, like this. And will press hash then to enter. Patient's token is booked and he will receive a message. Next patient will come, then will take his number, then will put his number here. His token is booked also. So in this way, one by one patients will come and then they will take their respective tokens. Patient will receive an SMS and live token status can be tracked with a URL over there. My token number is displayed over there. Appointment patient's current token is A1 and mine token is A1. Because I am the first patient, that's why it is A1 showing at the current token, else some other token will be there. So it is a screen by which patient can track when his number will come. As you can see that I have booked a token from appointment token machine. Mine was A1. I got a message and I can track that token also. Counter B2 is allocated to me and it is displaying over there on a TV tracker which will be placed in the premise, in the patient waiting area. As you can see that there are three categories. One is for walk-in patient, second one is for appointment patient, and third is for the billing patient who will come for the second interaction. Means once the patient will visit the doctor and when come back to the counter again for the billing, then his token number will be displayed on this category, under this category. My token number was A1, so that's A1 displaying over here, and counter B2 is allocated to me, so I'll visit to the B2 counter, and what B2 counter will do I can show you. This will be the screen which will be displaying over the reception area. My token number is A1, so how they will operate it I can show you. There are two categories, walk-in patients and the appointment patients, and mine was appointment patient category, so I'll click it at the reception area. They will do it, and token list is like that. Mine was this one, and what they will do is they will just send it to the doctor. Means they are just doing it by simply pressing a single button, send to the doctor. Then what doctor will do or what the doctor's attendant will do, we will show you in the next clip. By pressing A1 here, what they did, they sent to the doctor to the patient, and you will see on the tracker that it will be displaying A3 here. Means next patient is displaying over here. A1 is gone. Now the tracker changed, and A1 will come to the billing part once the attendant or the doctor over there will send it back to the billing counter. This is the screen which will be visible on the phone of the doctor as well as to their attendants. They can simply select the patient and can send to billing counter, so that that particular patient will be displaying over to the TV tracker again, like A1. For A1 we are doing here. As you have seen that the doctor's attendant has done sent to billing to A1, then now A1 is displaying under the billing section over counter B6. So in this way a patient journey will be done. So he doesn't has to wait for anyone to tell that where has to go, and it's a simply a queue management system. So in this way a queue will be managed. Like we are taking A1 here as an example. So on the billing counter, what they will do is just they will press the close token, means the patient journey has been completed. Now